welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Okay, for breakfast, I'm going to make this delicata squash that I filled with apple pie. So it's actually a dessert, but the squash balances it out and it has fiber. So I'm gonna pop this in the air fryer. Put it in for like, I'm gonna have it go for maybe 5 minutes while I get my hojicha ready. Start on my hojicha now and warm up some water. I'm probably not gonna film it, so I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. This is going, I'm warming up water. I'm getting a pitcher of water just so I have water upstairs with me on hand. Okay, something that I haven't told the vlog in the last 4 days is that one, I've been working on making a sourdough starter, and I actually made bread in here and it's not that great. And so I've still been working on it, and I think I started on November 23rd, and it's just, I've been working on it and I'm like kind of freaking out because I just checked the cupboard and like this has damn near doubled from when it's doubled. It was like down here, it's doubled. And so I think I can actually make sourdough. I'm just excited that I get to make sourdough and I get to show you. Okay, awesome. So excited. I started this on November 23rd and here we are. She looks beautiful. Really was so shaky holding her. Look at the bubbles. Look, go bacteria, go bacteria, go. I am so proud of them. Okay, this is hojicha. I'm using Nami. This is Ashley's brand. I love it. Here's breakfast. You have your squash on the bottom, your apple pie and apple butter, filling and peach preserve and cherry and cranberries and sugar, and then a little bit of, I put ice cream because I said fuck it. I'm really getting more. Looks crazy, but it's so good. Your cherries for your tartness, and the squash is sweet, surprisingly. I don't know if some people know that, like, or realize that the squash can be sweet, or with other, there's a different type of squash and it's sweet. And this is a delicata squash. People usually have them like with salads and things like that. And the apple pie filling that I made is so good and so sweet. It's all made with apples from the farmer's market, and the apple butter is from the farmer's market. So I just feel really good making something that's like made locally. You know, some people eat the skin of the delicata squash, but for this one I'm not. So feasted. So yeah, here is our old bathroom. Okay, let's do our advent calendar, our boba mochi advent calendar. Wow, I can't believe I've kept up for 4 days, and I'm not eating any of them. I'm not sneaking any behind the scenes, as you can see. I'm doing pretty good. Okay, day 4. Strawberry again. I don't know. Strawberry again. I already rated this like a 6. I'll probably just eat this. Yeah, obviously I'm gonna eat it. Okay, let me do this. Okay, what else is planned for today? Again, like with self-care, just first starting off with a positive mindset. I know it's really hard to flush out the negative thoughts, and it's not easy, like it's so much easier said than done. So you know, when you have those feelings and those moments, just accepting what's real, what's not, and letting it out. If you need to cry, I usually need to cry, and eat some strawberry boba mochi, and it's all gonna be okay. So some plans for today. I want to clean up a bit, maybe do a little, and then do a little decorating after that, because I really didn't start any of the decorating that I shared with you from day 2. I also need to take care of some dog things outside, and I was talking about self-care, like, you know, in the mind and, you know, and in our thoughts and things like that. There's just not so much to do, but like if I want to clean, I might show you some things. Again, there's just like a lot going on here at the house, and yeah, I will try to bring you along as much as possible, and at least like the fun stuff. Okay, let's get into Vlogmas day 4. Okay, it's 10:45. I've actually been spending maybe 45 minutes just cleaning and watching and reorganizing. As you see, this is kind of cleared up for the most part. I haven't set this up yet just because we're decorating things. Now under my desk is clear. All like the Christmas stuff, all my Christmas gifts were there, but now they're here, which I know it's just kind of like moving the mess, but at least it's kind of covered. It's kind of just more tucked away, and then I have a little more feet space at my actual desk. And then here, for the most part, I've been good about keeping it cleared. I love my little tree. I put green Powerpuff Girl hidden on there just because she's green to match the vibe, and it looks kind of crazy, but it looks better in real life. So that is going on. I think I want to take a break just because I haven't even like stopped. I just remembered I had my hojicha, so just taking a little break. So I just want to show you my phone case from Wildflower. As I told you, I really love green, so hello. I got the, I don't know, is there a name to it? I think it's like Matcha Love. Matcha Love phone case. So I'm excited for this, I love green and it reminds me of the Powerpuff Girls, and I got some stickers as well. Is this a good brand? Do we F with this brand? I just wanted this case. I just really needed this case, so okay, yeah. Some YouTube time with Joy, one of my favorites. Hello vlog. It's about 2 o'clock now. I have my therapy appointment in a little bit, so I'm just chilling because I cleaned up a little bit and I just want to rest my brain. I just want to relax and do some red light therapy. I don't do it often just because I forget, but I have a Loom box and it usually just does like 12 minutes. So I just want to do this for its settings, which is like 12 minutes. And then by then it'll be like 2:15, and then I'll have my appointment soon after that, and then I'll check in after that. Okay, I hope you're all having a good day, and again, still being able to be nice to yourself when you have like those hard thoughts and like the negative thoughts. Like, it's okay to slow down, try to listen to yourself, and that's really what I'm trying to do too, just listening to myself, but also, you know, having some boundaries and having some boundaries and discipline as well. So trying to have a balance with that, and really just trying to stay calm and peaceful and gentle with everyone. Like, if I'm gentle with myself, then I can be gentle with everyone. Okay, we're at Home Depot right now because we're looking for doors. We're currently all the way in the back because we're getting exercise. Why not doors? Okay, I'll get back when we find the knobs, maybe. Oh, there they are. It's not a doorknob. I usually like these ones. Okay. Doorknob hunting.